In order to form your active verbs in the perfect tense, both irregular and regular verbs will form using these same patterns. Now, about perfect tense formation, it's going to use your perfect stem to form. And that is based off of your first person singular perfect or third principal part. So for the present system, we're going to use your present infinitive, but for your perfect system, you're going to use your perfect stem, your third principal part. And as I said, both regular and irregular verbs are going to form using these same patterns. So it becomes imperative that you learn all 3 or 4 principal parts. But special perfect tense endings are used. Your perfect tense endings are isti, it, imus, istis, erunt. Note that the I is part of the perfect personal endings for all persons except for the third plural, which changes to an E. Now, to form your perfect stem, all you're going to do is find your first person singular perfect form or your third principal part. So a ma-we for a regular example and fui for an irregular example. Fui is the first person singular perfect of sum esse. And then you're going to remove the I. So for our regular example, the love form, we're going to use AMAV as our root stem, as our perfect stem. For the irregular example, for the sum form, we're going to have just fu and add the endings. Now, in order to form your perfect tense, you will take your perfect stem, the AMAV or the FU in our examples, and you're going to add your perfect personal ending. The imos here is what I decided to use. And in order to translate your perfect tense, it uses one of 2 different sets, has or have verbed, or did verb. Please do not use had. Had belongs to the pluperfect. And our regular example, amawi, I have loved, amawisti, you have loved, and amawit, he, she, it has loved. And the irregular example, fui, I have been, fuisti, you have been, and fuit, he, she, it has been. Now, please note that for any word that has to be as part of its definition, sum, or any of the ones such as gaudio, which would be to be happy, if be is part of the definition, it will be have been. It is not passive in nature. It will be active, as long as to be is part of the present translation. Now you know how to form your perfect tense.